If you need to request a refund for a payment made on Xbox, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate the refund request efficiently. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Visit the Microsoft account website and sign in using the account associated with your Xbox. This is necessary to access your purchase history and initiate the refund process. Step 2. Access the order history. Once signed in, go to the order history section. Here, you will find a list of all your recent purchases, including games, subscriptions, and other transactions made through Xbox. Step 3. Locate the purchase. Scroll through your order history to find the specific transaction you wish to refund. Click on the transaction to view more details about the purchase, including the date and amount. Step 4. Request a refund. After selecting the transaction, look for the option to request a refund. Follow the prompts provided, which may include selecting a reason for the refund and confirming your request. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Once you have submitted your refund request, you will receive a confirmation email from Microsoft. The processing time can vary, but you should receive an update regarding the status of your request within a few days. In conclusion, requesting a refund on Xbox is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your request.